What's up, guys? It's me, Samara Rennie, and Logan Rennie, and Daddy Rennie. And today we're cooking cheddar fajitas. So before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Say hi, Logan.
Hi, guys.
Logan, say hi, guys. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
So let's get started. Right now, Daddy is cutting what are those, Daddy?
Peppers.
Oh, right now Daddy's cutting the red peppers, am I right?
Yeah.
And he cut onions, and now he's just chopping it. And we have our chickens right there. And I'll get back to you guys when Daddy's done cutting. Okay, guys, so Daddy is now cutting the green peppers. And you guys can hear Logan in the background. And this is how we're cutting it. Guys, comment down below your favorite food. See you guys in cam.
Bye-bye.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Say what you doing. Say hi, guys.
Bye-bye.
Say hi, guys.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, he spilled the water on me, but it's okay.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, so right now, Daddy is putting the chicken fajitas thing, the chicken fajitas in the pan. And yeah. So we're just waiting. And you don't have to put anything in there. Wait, Daddy, do you put vegetable oil in it? Okay, guys, so you do put vegetable oil in it because you don't want it to burn.
What's up? What's up?
Okay, guys, so see you when it's close to being done, and then we'll do after. Okay, guys, so right now, Daddy is mixing it up to it basically thaws out the chicken. And yeah, so this chicken is here, kind of thawing out. Right there. It's always this chicken. You guys can see Daddy Ring is mixing it up.
Yep.
Are you doing the camera?
Daddy is still mixing it, but as you can tell, it's kind of thawing out. Right, Daddy? You guys can see the vegetable oil a little bit. Yeah. And this is the vegetable oil we use. We use this one. See you guys when it's done. Okay, guys, so the meat is now thawed, and now it's all ready. Alright. And now Daddy is cutting the chicken apart. Are you gonna taste test it?
No.
Well, I think we're trying to see if it's cold inside or not. Or if it's cooked. I think he's cutting the big parts out, guys. Let's see when putting the peppers in. Okay, guys, so before I show you guys when Daddy's putting the peppers in, right now, Daddy is cutting the meat in half. And yeah, so as you guys can see, he's cutting the meat in half. Like that. And see when that's done. Alright, what's up, guys?
Hi.
Say hi, guys. Logan can. Go, Logan. Go, Logan. Go, Logan. Go, Logan. Dad cut all of it, and now he is putting seasoning into it. Daddy, what did you put in it so far?
Seasoning.
What kind of seasoning?
Black pepper.
He put black pepper in it. Hey guys, look who it is. It's Logan. He's on my leg, guys. But yeah, guys. So, I think next he might put in the peppers and the onion. So right now he's missing it. And he's missing it. And he's missing it. And he's missing. He's mixing it up. Yeah, he's mixing.
Yo.
He cool. He patted. So it's how it looks before these pepper thingies go in here. So yeah, so that's how the chicken looks right now. Yeah, you can actually see the vegetable oil right there. So guys, this is the peppers and stuff. Yeah. So, oh guys, this is onion, this is red pepper, and this is green pepper. Yeah. And we're using this for vegetable oil. Okay, guys, so right now, Daddy is about to add the peppers and the onions. Look at all that delicious onion, guys. So now, guys, Daddy's just mixing it up. Yeah. Guys, comment down below your favorite food. And comment down below if you know how to cook. So, I'll see you guys when we're on the next. Okay, guys. So, it's not ready yet. But my dad just mixed it all together. And yeah, guys. So right now, Daddy is putting in sour cream. And yeah. He's using a butter knife because that's what he's supposed to use, guys.
No, I use it because I want to.
And you spread it all around. And now I'm going to pour some of it into the tortilla roll, or tortilla. Now we're going to add some cheese. Today we're using this kind of cheese. And that's how you make a tortilla. That's how you make, what is it called?
Quesadilla.
Oh, quesadillas. Wait, what? What is it called? What is it called?
You just said it.
Huh?
You just said it.
Oh, and that's how you make quesadillas. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye!